All right, so we'll move straight into what we're here to do today. Let me share my screen, the whole window. Yes, this one. Great. So if you can see my screen, please just give me thumbs up. If you can see my screen, just give me thumbs up. So I know that. Great. Thank you. Okay, so first off, let's look at the course overview that we have here. So basically, we're just going to go through these 10 items for today. So the first thing we're going to look at is we'll talk about Notion AI. Then I'll show you 100 AI tools for growth. And then I would also show you some AI prompts. So basically, AI prompts are languages, or should I say, how you structure the questions you ask AI, or how you communicate with AI. Then the next thing we are going to do is I'll show you AI actions, some Notion AI actions that you can actually use to get the best results from Notion AI. Then also we'll look at Notion AI conversations, how you can carry out conversations, effective conversations with Notion AI. Then I'll show you Notion AI template blocks. I'll show you what they look like. So they're basically templates you can save on Notion to help you, ask Notion specific questions and get the best responses. Then I would also show you use cases, how you can use Notion AI for your business, your job, or your career, and then also for your life. Then I'll talk about the Entryplan community benefits. So we have benefits for our community members. And then, of course, we're going to take questions and answers. And then I'll show you the next steps, what you need to do next after these session. So basically, the purpose for this class is to, help us see how we can actually use AI, Notion AI, basically to make money for ourselves, to make our lives better, and also, grow our career, business, and personal growth too. So that's the purpose of this class. So I'm not just sharing knowledge with you, but I also want you to ensure that you understand how you can leverage Notion AI to make money or grow faster in your life, your career, and your business. So let's move in about Notion AI. But I want to be sure that you can hear me. Just give me a thumbs up, and I want to be sure that you saw the last screen I showed you. Yes, this session is recorded. Fatima. Okay, thank you for the thumbs up. Then the second question is, did you see the last screen I shared with you? Give me a thumbs up if you saw the last screen I shared with you. Great. All right, so let's move right in. So first off, about Notion AI, let me start from this part here. So first of all, before you even use Notion AI, first off, you need to have a Notion account. So Notion is basically your wiki, your docs, and projects together. So it helps you work better, faster. So if you visit notion.so/products, you'll be able to see this screen. So if you visit there, you'll be able to see the screen. So Notion is an amazing tool. For me, I see Notion as the combination of Microsoft Word, Excel, and what else again? Basically, combination of Microsoft Word and Excel and some other powerful tools. So okay, Grammarly too. Grammarly, because now they've added the AI feature, so you can add Grammarly there. So that combination is what Notion is. So it's a very powerful tool. I use Notion for everything I do. So, and most of my friends actually see that I'm always talking about Notion because Notion is very powerful. So you can, as a product manager or in your company as a startup, you can use Notion to create your product roadmap. They have a template for you. You don't need to create that template from scratch. Then these are the companies that actually use Notion. You can see amazing companies that use Notion. Then I want to go straight up into the different templates you can use Notion to create. Okay, so yeah, you can actually use Notion for marketing your OKRs. As in marketing team, you can actually use it as in the engineering team, you can use it in the design team, the product team, the marketing team, the operations team, HR team, engineering team. So Notion has all of these templates, and then they have this template for meeting notes. So when you're done with your meeting, you can take meeting notes for your company. Yeah, of course, they have over 1 million community members and across 50 countries. Yeah, and Notion is free. So yeah, you see it here, get started for free. Now, let's move straight into Notion AI. Now, Notion AI is actually a new feature that Notion added to their product, and I'll just quickly play these videos so you can see the amazing stuff you can actually do with Notion.
Oh no. Oh no. Okay, let's do this. One down, two to go. Gaining momentum here. Let's try confident. Much better. And that's a wrap.
Great. So you see how powerful Notion AI is. You can actually use it to work faster, automate your tedious tasks. You can use it to, so you saw the video, she had like 3 tasks to work on, and the deadline was the same day, but then in few seconds she was, or in less than a minute, she was able to work on those 3 tasks. So you can actually use it to get action items. So if you have like a meeting notes from your previous meeting, you can actually find action items from that meeting notes and work on them. Then you can actually write summaries in like less than 30 seconds and not 30 minutes. So you can summarize your meeting notes and then share that summary with team members. Then Notion actually helps you to write better, communicate with confidence. So if you've written an article or a blog post, you can actually change the tone, make it sound professional, make it sound friendly, make it sound confident, depending on the audience that you're targeting. Then, of course, you can actually, fix spelling and grammar. Like I said, Notion has Grammarly Insight. Not like it has Grammarly Insight, but it has the features that Grammarly gives you inside of it. It helps you to fix spelling and grammar, and then it also helps, it can actually translate to different languages. Then you can edit the voice and tone. You can make a particular content longer. You can make it shorter. You can explain whatever you don't understand. Then you can actually make a complex statement simpler. So you need to, so think of Notion as should I say your first draft, or your virtual assistant rather, so that helps you create your first draft of whatever you want to work on. It helps you to brainstorm on whatever ideas you want to work on, and then you can actually take it up from there. So let's move quickly. Okay, so now this is subscription. So they're like extra features you can get if you subscribe to Notion AI. So like I said, Notion AI is actually cheaper than Grammarly Premium, even ChatGPT Premium, and then Jasper. So if you combine, Notion AI does what all these 3 can do for you, and for less, that's if you want like the extra feature. So yeah, Notion AI is free for now, and then if you want extra responses from the AI, you can actually pay for that if you want to. So they're like some frequently asked questions here you can check out. So let's move right straight into the next thing, which is 100 AI tools that you can use for growth. I just want to be sure that we are all following me, so please give me thumbs up if you actually saw what I shared with you. Great. So, and you can actually ask your questions in the chat section. I'll take them when it's time for questions and answers. Great, thank you. So let's move into the next thing, which is 100 AI tools for growth. So yeah, I found these 100 AI tools for growth. It was created by Superhuman. It's an AI organization though. So they created these 100 AI tools. So the first one on their list is ChatGPT. You already know what ChatGPT is used for. It's more like a chatbot that helps you that takes instructions from you and provides detailed responses. And this is like a link there, and it's used for marketing and research. Then there's DAL-E. It's also used for marketing, and it has like GPT. Then there's Looker, is used for design, so it can help you design logo and build a brand that you love. Then there is ATFI. It's used for research, so it helps you to summarize YouTube videos, and all you do is just provide a link to the YouTube video and summarize the video for you. Then there's Copy AI. It generates copywriting material for your sales and marketing needs, so it's used by marketing teams. Then there's Dectopus AI. It's used for creating compelling presentations in the Flash. I don't want to go through all of them. I just want to show you some of them here. We'll share the link so you can actually check all of them, but then we'll share the link later. But let me look at, there's AI, Notion AI here rather. Notion AI organizes your notes and automates studio starts. It has GPT there. Then, okay, there are 100 of them here, 100 of them. I'll share the link with you, so I don't want to go through all of them, so you can actually check them out later. So moving on, we'll actually look at Notion AI prompts. So this is where we'd actually spend more time. So first off, there's this page here, how to succeed. The title of this session is how to succeed in your business, career, and life with Notion AI. So there is the full context here, the full course outline rather here, and I shared this with every single person who actually registered to attend this session. So you actually have access to it, and you can go back and look at it there. So this is the outline, and then if you want unlimited access to Notion AI, I'll show you how to get that. Then there's a video here I want you to watch. So let me play the video. Let me expand my screen.
Today, we're introducing Notion AI, which brings the power of artificial intelligence directly into your Notion workspace. Let's say we're writing a blog post to introduce Notion AI. It's as simple as asking AI Assist for help and clicking Generate Post. Next, just sit back and watch as artificial intelligence completes your first draft. Notion AI is also super talented at helping you brainstorm whenever you get stuck. In this case, let's brainstorm ideas for promoting our new feature. Looks great. Notion AI likes to think big, but it's also good at smaller things, like fixing spelling and grammar. Perfect. Need help with translation? Watch Notion AI translate in real time. Magic. The truth is, sometimes we all just get stuck. And in those cases, Notion AI can help you write. Just ask it. Okay, a little bit bold, but we'll take it.
Great. So that's how powerful Notion AI is. So let's move into the course outline now.